Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video of Facebook marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to run call only ads so that you can generate leads directly through a phone call, right? So this is going to be a proper step-by-step process on how to create the call campaign, call ads campaign. So let's directly get into my Facebook ads account and learn more about this. So guys, as you can see right now I am in my Facebook ads account, and before creating campaign, before going directly get into the campaign creation process, let me tell you that why call only ads are important, who can use call only ads, or what are the usage of call only ads. Well, it depends on your business. If you have a business that needs direct call from your customers or your client, then you can use call only ads. And if I give you an example, let's say you provide ambulance service. So obviously in ambulance service you need to provide direct calling service so that your clients and the callers can directly contact you in case of any emergency, right? And if I give you one more example, let's say you provide pest control service. In that case as well, you should provide call facility to your customers, to your clients, so that they can directly call and get help from you, right? So these are the situations, and if call only ads is suitable for your business, then this particular video is for you. Now let's create the campaign. So obviously we have to click on create campaign button, as you can see. Now once you click on create, here we have to select leads, because call is also a kind of a lead, right? So you have to select your objective, which is leads. Hit the continue button, and once you hit the continue button, you will be into your 3-step campaign creation process. We are into our campaign level. So here you can name your campaign, whatever the name you want to add, you can name it. I'm adding not call, not phone, I'm adding call only ads, call only, and here I'm writing the date. So this is the campaign name I have written. If you want, you can change it. It is totally up to you. Whatever the name you want to add, you can add it, right? Now in campaign details, there's a buying type, auction, and campaign objective, which is leads obviously. And if I click on show more options, you get one more option, which is campaign spending limit. If you want to add the limit in your campaign, you can add it here. Right now we do have one more option, which is A/B test. If you want to create A/B testing, if you want to do A/B testing, basically you can turn on this toggle. And then we have CBO, advantage campaign budget or campaign budget optimization. Both are same, right? If you turn this option on, your advantage campaign budget will be turned on, and here you can add the budget for this particular campaign, right? Also you get few more options like campaign bid strategy. If you want, you can change it. Highest volume, it is defaultly set on highest volume, and you get two more options. As you can see, cost per result goal, and in bid cap you get this one. So these are the options you have. You can choose whatever the option suits you, suits your business, right? And if you click on show more options, you get one more option, which is add scheduling, right? But it is non-editable, because scheduling option you get in your ad set level, right? So here you don't get any scheduling option. So we are going with this option, turn on advantage campaign budget. If you want, you can turn it on, or if you want, you can turn it off as well, right? And here in the budget section, I'm adding around 1600 rupees, which is around $20, right? So this is my daily budget. If you want, you can go with lifetime budget as well. So let's do one thing, let's go with lifetime budget this time, right? So this is 28,000, this is our lifetime budget. And now hit the next button, and you will be into your ad set level. Here you can also name your ad set as well. So whatever the name you want to add, you can add it. I'm removing new and adding call leads ad set, and here I'm adding date, right? Obviously I'm not adding the exact date, I'm just writing it. But whenever you are creating your campaign, your ad set, you can write the proper date over here, right? After this, we are into our conversion. In conversion, you have to select calls. Obviously we are creating call only ads. Now once you select calls, here in the performance goal, you'll be able to see maximize number of calls, and you will be not able to change it. This is the default one. And here you have to select your Facebook page. So it is by default, we do have only one page, so it has been selected. And here you get option to select cost per result goal, but we haven't choose the goal option. We have basically the bidding strategy we have chosen is highest volume in the campaign level, right? If you remember, So if you want to use this option, cost per result goal, you have to change your bidding strategy, right? In show more option, you get one more option, which is when you get charged. So it is totally impression based and it is not editable, so you can't edit it. And here you have the campaign start and end date. So we have chosen the lifetime budget. So in lifetime budget, you have to select the end date as well, right? So that it can equally distribute the budget which you have allotted to this campaign in the dates you have provided, right? Basically the days you have provided. So it is around 1 month by default. If you want, you can change it. Let's say I want to go back and I just want to run my ads for 15 days. So let's select 18th of August, right? So this is the date I have chosen. My ads will going to run for 15 days and my lifetime budget is 28,000 rupees, right? Which is roughly around $340. So this is my overall budget. Right now in your ad scheduling option, you get one more option, which is ad set spending limit. As you can see here, you also get the spending limit. So this is on ad set basis, and here you were getting on a campaign basis, campaign spending limit, right? So you can set the spending limit whatever you want, and here you have the custom audience option, where you can use your custom audience, lookalike audience, whatever the targeting you want, you can do it here, right? I've already shown you, I've already taught you how to do or how to use your custom audience in your campaigns, right? So I'm not going to show you again and again. So if you don't know, you can watch our previous videos in the playlist, right? Now after this you have location option. So in location, by default it is selected, the country has been selected, which is India in our case. In your case it can be anything, it can be United States, United Kingdom, Canada, anything else, right? But if you want to change the location, you just have to click on this search bar, and here you can select the location. You can search by city, you can search by postal code, you can search by area, whatever the situation suits you, you can search it, right? Now let's say you want to exclude any specific location or specific city. As you can see, I have selected the whole country. Now I want to exclude few cities. Let's say I want to exclude Delhi, which is the capital of India, and I don't want to show my ads there, right? So I'll be selecting this and select this, and as you can see, the Delhi city has been excluded from my targeting. So this is how you can do your targeting, right? You have selected your location and you have excluded few things as well. Now in age bracket, it totally depends on your business, on your business nature, that what type of age bracket suits your business, suits your product or services, right? So if, for example, if it is a digital marketing service, or if we take an example that we sell digital marketing courses, so for that the suitable age bracket would be 18 to 40 max, right? 40 or 35, let's select 40. So this would be the suitable age bracket, right? And in genders, I don't have any preference because anyone can learn digital marketing, right? So there's no any gender preference. But if you have the product that can be sold to only women's or men's, you can select the genders as well, right? In detail targeting, again I have shown you how to do your detailed targeting. So whether you can choose your custom targeting, custom audience, otherwise you can do your detailed targeting. So this is totally up to you. And if you want to if I show you the glimpse little bit, just hit the edit button, and here you can select whatever the targeting you want to do. You can do targeting on a demographical basis, interest basis, and behavioral basis. You can even search using this browse button, demographics, interest, behavior. You can see the list on education level and financial level, life events, interest. So tons of options are here. If you want to learn how to do detailed targeting in detailed, so you can watch our previous videos in our playlist, right? And if you not able to find the playlist, just go to the description box below of this particular video and you'll find the link to playlist, right? Now here you can, this is the search bar, here you can search the interest, demographics, behaviors as well. Let's say I'm searching digital marketing. This is the interest I'm searching, right? People who are interested in digital marketing will be, as you can see, I'm targeting people who are interested in digital marketing. So this is how you can do it. Why it is it's gone. So as you can see, I have selected the interest. Now here we do have one more option, which is advantage detail targeting. So it is good to turn this option on so that Facebook's algorithm can do its own job. Basically, it will target the people beyond your targeting. But if Facebook's algorithm is damn sure that this kind of people or this kind of audience can convert, then Facebook will target those audience. Otherwise, it will not go beyond your targeting, right? Then we do have language options. If you have any specific language preference, let's say your audience speaks only Spanish, so you can select that particular language from here, right? So you have the language settings as well. Right now by default it is set on all languages, but you can edit. After this we do have placements. So in placements we got two options. First one is advantage plus placements, which is totally automatic. Facebook's algorithm decides where to show our ad. And if you don't want to go with the automatic option, you can select manual placements as well. Here you can do, so after selecting the platforms, you can select the placements, whatever the placements like you think that going to work for you, you can select those placements, right? So these are the things which are available in manual placement. And if you scroll a little bit here, you get one more option, which is show more option. So in show more option you get few more options like specific mobile device and operating system. If you click on edit button, you get these three options: all mobile devices, Android and iOS. So you get these options as well. And if you just want to run your ads on the devices which is connected to Wi-Fi, you can check this box, right? So these are the things available in your manual placement. Or if you don't like manual placement, you can go with advantage plus placements, right? Then hit the next button and you are done with your ad set level. Now we are into your ad level. So in ad level, obviously we have to name the ad. So here I'm adding the name, call lead ad, and this is image. This is going to be image. If you using video, then you can write video over here and then date, right? So this is the ad name. Here you have to select the page, which is obviously automatically selected, and here you have to select the account. So we do have connected this account, so I've selected this account. And here you have to select the format, ad format. So we do have two ad formats: single image or video, or carousel. So we are going with single image or video. After this, here we have to add our ad creative. So let's add one image. Let's choose this one, and this is how our ads is going to look. And here you can add the primary text, whatever the primary text you want to show. I'm writing right now demo to save time, right? Because this is not the tutorial for how to write a ad copy, right? In headline, again I'm writing demo. You can write it like call us now to save your home from insects, if it is a pest control service. So it depends on your business. So according to those business nature, according to your business nature, you can design your, you can write your basically headline, description and primary text, right? Again here I'm writing demo, right? Also, if you want to add multiple headlines, you can do that as well, as you can see. And Facebook will try to test with all these headlines, and whatever the headline performs better, it will show that headline maximum of time, right? And the same thing goes with description as well. After this we have the destination where your call is going to land. Whenever the customer taps on this button, whenever your client taps on this button, the call is going to land on this particular number, right? So this is the number. You can even change it. Let's say I'm writing one dummy number, right? So once you are done with your number, you can request a callback as well, so that you can check whether everything is working properly or not. After this, you can, after checking this box, you can just hit the publish button and your campaign will be published. And that's how you can create your call only ad on Facebook ads. I hope you understood the process. I hope you like the video. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this video with your needy friends who want to learn Facebook marketing. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.